Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, it's all about the fellas tomorrow. For Sunday, I'm doing a little, probably done this before, my Sunday dinner menu ideas. Very simple what I'm about to do, because it's all about the fellas. Tomorrow the Cowboys are playing the Giants. It's a big rivalry. They're playing them late tomorrow afternoon. It's all about the, I got about 6 of my friends coming over, neighbors. We're going to watch the game, and we're going to eat some barbecue ribs, potato salad, and baked beans, and I saved back some German chocolate cake. That's our menu tomorrow, y'all. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to show y'all how to do my oven baby back, not baby back. These actually going to be spare ribs, y'all. Look at that. We probably, with the 6 of us, of course, we'll eat all of these ribs. But with my meaty baby back ribs and my homemade potato salad, but they ain't gonna do a video on the potato salad or the beans I did before. I'll just put a link of my potato salad at the end of the video. I'm gonna just show y'all my ribs. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna wash it down real good. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna take this, I told you how to take this membrane off the back. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Very easy. Oven uncovered, 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll cover it for another 30, 45 minutes. Take about an hour and a half to do these ribs. Very simple, very easy. And like I say, when I get home tomorrow, all we're gonna do, I'm actually not gonna even warm it up. They just come in, we're gonna put it on a plate, put it in the microwave, and that's good to go. Very easy, y'all. So anyway, it's all about the fellas tomorrow. Sunday menu dinner ideas. We'll be right back, y'all. Okay, well, we are back. All right, y'all, I got the rib here seasoned right here. All I did is like I do in all my other rib videos. I'll put Worcestershire, I'll clean it, wash it really good, take the membrane off the back. I'll put Worcestershire sauce on there, liquid smoke, get it on there really good. I do that so the seasonings can stick on it. And all I put on this is my cavenders and my sweet and spicy here. You know my shake here, sweet and spicy here. And I put that on there, and I'm gonna put it in the oven about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes uncovered for 45 minutes uncovered on 450 degrees. What I want to do, I'm gonna take a lot of the moisture out of here, and I want to create a color on here, a nice color. And after that, we're going to come back and I'm going to brush barbecue sauce, any thick barbecue sauce. It has to be a thick barbecue sauce. And I like Sweet Baby Ray's, the hickory flavor. I'm going to brush that on there really, really good. Then I'm going to cover it and cook it another 30, 45 minutes. The fat ribs take about an hour and a half. They're bigger ribs. Baby backs don't take as long because it's not as thick. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for that amount of time, come back. I'm going to show y'all when I come back and put the barbecue sauce on it. Like I say, it's easy peasy cooking for me today, y'all. There ain't gonna be a lot of cooking for Sunday dinner tomorrow. It's all about watching the football game. That's a little 3.5 hours out of my week that I actually relax. I don't watch a lot of sports. I actually don't watch a lot of TV. Of course, I watch YouTube a lot, but I don't watch a lot of TV. I don't watch a lot of sports. I read a whole lot. I read a lot. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always reading, trying to get better. I read a lot of autobiographies of people and business and stuff like that. And just when I do watch TV, I watch a lot of comedy shows. I don't watch a lot of drama. I don't watch a lot of the news and stuff like that to kind of negative. I just don't do that. I quit doing that years ago. Try to watch stuff a little uplifting and positivity. So yeah, anyway, so I'll be back, y'all, once I get these out the oven after the first cycle, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. So we'll be right back. It's all about the fellas this weekend. See y'all in a bit. Bye. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my ribs out the oven, and that's what I want right here, y'all. See, that's what you want. I got all the liquid out of there. Even though I'm gonna put a little bit more in there than when I cover it back up. But all I'm gonna do, put some barbecue sauce on here like this. And you can avoid this if you want to. I just like that caramelization it gives it. And I just brush them. Take a brush here. Just give it a nice brush here, y'all. Nice thick. It's gonna be a nice thick caramelized crust on these ribs. And the guys will think I cooked it outside. That's not true. They'll know I cooked these in the oven, but they gonna be just as tender and just as good. A little bit more on that. And at the end, we're going to put it just a little bit more, and then we're going to caramelize it at the end. So I'll pretty much take this whole bottle. See that? You want to brush down too bad, because the thing is, that's why I cooked it uncovered for 30 minutes, to make sure the rub and the seasoning stay on it. Now all I'm going to do, y'all, get my aluminum foil here. And get my spray. Y'all know I spray. And some people told me that I could use that. You know, I've seen the aluminum foil that's non-stick on the side. I don't like that because it's a thinner type texture on the foil. Hold on, y'all. That foil is not the same, the thickness or something on it. I just don't like it. Okay. So this up there, and I'm going to put a little liquid in here, y'all. Not much. And I definitely don't want that. I'm going to try to avoid it all possible, the foil touching the ribs. That's why I put I'm going to put a little cup of water in here. That's all I'm going to do. That's going to help get it tender, create a little moisture in there. Make sure it's really, that's hot. Really seal tight. And I'm going to put it in the oven 350 degrees, about 45 minutes. I'm going to check it after 30 minutes. I want them tender, but I don't want them actually falling off the bone. I want them when the guys pick it up and eat it, it has a little bite to it. And y'all see here, I got my baked beans ready to go in the oven, my meaty baked beans. And I already finished my old school potato salad right there. And I'm about to put that in the fridge. So we're going to have potato salad, some baked beans, and the old school oven baby back ribs. That's Sunday dinner. Football Sunday dinner, y'all, for the fellas. So anyway, we'll be back when this come out. I'm going to show you the last step to these barbecue ribs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes in the oven. We're going to see what we got here. Be careful when y'all take this off. You know this thing is going to be hot. Look at that. Look what we got here, y'all. Now, what I want to do now, let me get my knife here and check the tenderness. Oh, yeah. Now, what I'm going to do now, y'all, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it back in the oven another 15-20 minutes. Put a little bit more sauce on here. And I'm going to caramelize this. You see all that liquid in there? Get that liquid to come out of there. Get my brush here. And we're going to get the caramelization on this sauce. Get that nice sticky touch of the rib, y'all. A little bit more. The key is to make sure you don't wipe the seasoning off of here, because that's very important. You want to have your flavor on the rib. So I'm going to put this back in the oven, 350 degrees, about 15-20 minutes till it get that nice sticky crust on it, and it'll be ready to eat. So we'll be back in about 15-20 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, we are back here, and look at this goodness. I promise you, if you didn't see me do a video of doing this in the oven, you would think I did it out on the pit all day. Look at this. Nice, juicy spare ribs, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? You can't see it, huh? Can you see that? Goodness. It's nice and tender. Let me get my knife here. Oh, yeah, that knife goes through there perfectly. Perfectly. I don't want them to fall off the bone. I want them to have a little bite to it. And what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to let this rest a little. I'm going to put it on the platter. I'm going to come back, we're gonna try just a little end piece of this. Now, like I said, I don't want to cut this whole rib. I want it to stay together like this, so when we do warm it up tomorrow, the juices is still inside the rib. That's the key. If you're not gonna eat it right away, just let the juices stay inside. And when we do warm it up tomorrow, it'll be nice and juicy. So I'll be right back. I'm about to take my baked beans out the oven. Y'all know the potato salad is ready. That was easy. So, anyway, I'll be right back. We're gonna try this out. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all, we got the ribs off of here. Like I said, I don't want to cut these ribs all the way. A little small plate out of here. I definitely want to leave them kind of semi-whole right here for y'all. Y'all look here, I got my baked beans fresh out the oven. Of course, my potato salad right there. The meaty baked beans. And that's all we gonna have, baked beans. And I got my, let me show you my bread here. You gotta have this in with your barbecue. See that? Gotta have that good soft Wonder bread. And that's all we need. Pickles and onions if you want. But let me take a little bit off the, this thing is excruciating hot, y'all. Got that little edge right there. Ooh, man, these things are so tender. You can see how juicy they are. Oh yeah, I'm trying to do this with some etiquette. Y'all see how easy that rib come off the edge there? I'll show you how juicy that is. See how juicy that rib is, y'all? It's so tender. Look at that. So tender. Let me put this over here out the way. All right. Like I say, it's fall off the bone tender. Look at that. How tender this is, y'all. And the finger licking. It's hot. Let me get my knife here. You see how tender that's coming off of that. I'm telling y'all, quickest way to make ribs. Very tender, flavorful. We got the smokiness on there from the liquid smoke, the stickiness, sweetness of the barbecue sauce, and then all that flavor seasoning from the cavenders and my shake there. And like I say, you can use look at that, y'all. It's so tender. You can use any barbecue seasoning you like, y'all. Any barbecue seasoning you like on this. But anyway, just a little quick Sunday dinner menu idea for the football Sunday with the fellas. Ladies too. The lady might come over. There might be any wives or whatever, but usually a lot of ladies don't like to sit down and watch football. All that screaming and yelling and hollering for no reason. But anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.